Thank you for purchasing our outlet holder for the Phillips 9900 series toothbrush. You'll notice a bag that came with your order. This part is only used for horizontal style electrical outlets. We will cover this install for the horizontal outlet in the second half of this video. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the holder. You can do this by inserting 2 fingers through the bottom while also pressing from the top. You can set the outer cover down for now. You will then set your Phillips charger base onto the inner bracket. You will want to hold on to this as it may want to slip during this next step. You will then start winding the cord around the center of this inner bracket. Then you plug your cord into the USB charger. Either outlet is okay, and it's okay if there's a little slack left in the cord. You then pick up the outer cover and, following the arrows, slide the inner bracket into the outer cover. You are all set. Now, if you have the horizontal outlet, these are the steps to complete. First, open the bag that came with your order. You will notice that it says for horizontal outlets on the top. Now, remove the USB charger from the inner bracket. Then slide off the inside adapter bracket. You will notice that it says for vertical outlets. Next, you will slide on the bracket from the bag that was labeled horizontal. If you do this correctly, you should see 2 X's lined up like so. Now, slide on the USB charger. The metal prongs should be on the back side of the arrows. Be sure to install this charger so the prongs are positioned up and down. Place the round Phillips charger into the top of the bracket. You will then start winding the cord around the center of this inner bracket. Be sure to hold onto the top charger as it may want to slip off during the cord winding. Then you plug your cord into the USB charger. Again, it's okay if there's a little slack in the cord. You then pick up the outer cover and, following the arrows, slide the inner bracket into the outer cover. You are now all set to install on your horizontal wall outlet. Thank you.